Hello, my friends. Have you already guessed which language we will discuss today? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is Japanese language. And I'm very happy that today a wonderful YL from Japan joined me. Her name is Haruka and call sign Juliet Juliet 1, Romeo Oscar Echo. She is not only a ham radio operator, she is a professional musician, play the guitar, and she is the leader of the band Cherry Space.
Hello!
Hello. I'm so happy that you joined me today. Thank you so much.
Oh, me too. Your name pronunciation, Raisa?
Raisa, yes, you are right. And your name, Haruka?
Haruka, yes.
Great. And we can start?
Yes. Okay. Wow.
The first what we need, it is a greeting to the QSO. And this one we have, the first one is hello. How it will be, hello.
Hello will be Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Yes.
This one. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa, yes.
Not very difficult. We will see what will be in the next. Good morning.
Ohayogozaimasu. Slowly. Ohayogozaimasu. Or you can do this shorter. Ohayo.
Ohio. It's great. And once more, long version, please.
Ohayogozaimasu. This is more formal.
Ohayogozaimasu.
Okay, good. Very good.
It's not easy. And good afternoon.
Afternoon is Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. I like these words. Konnichiwa.
Great.
Thank you. And good evening.
Konbanwa.
Konbanwa. Konbanwa.
Yes.
Great. I thought that it would be more difficult, but it only starts. We will see what will be next. And the next one is your report is 5 and 9.
あなたのレポートは5級です。
Okay. あなたのレポートは5級?
Yes, Q.
Once more, please.
Q. It's like
Q.
Q.
Q. Des.
Yes.
I repeat once more. あなたのレポートは Please, you. Once more, please.
Okay. あなたのレポートは5級です。
あなたのレポートは5級です。
Yes, good.
Okay. Next one, my name is Raisa.
私の名前はライサです。
Watashi or Watashi?
First one, Watashi.
Watashi no namae wa Raisa desu.
Oh, great.
I'm really very happy. I will try to once more. Watashi no namae wa Raisa desu.
Yes, good.
Ooh. Yoo-hoo. Thank you so much. Thank you. And my QTH is St. Petersburg.
Okay. 私の QTH は What's the name? St. Petersburg.
Mm-hmm.
And Japanese pronunciation is St. Petersburg です。
St. Petersburg.
Yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And repeat please once more, all phrase.
Okay. 私の QTH は St. Petersburg です。
Watashi no QTH は St. Petersburg です。
Yes.
Watashi no QTH は St. Petersburg です。
Okay. Q must be difficult for you. Q.
Yes, it's really difficult, and I was so afraid before because I did not heard any Japanese phrases, and sometimes I thought that it's the most difficult language for me. But I think it's possible to learn it. The next one, how do you copy me?
Okay. 聞こえますか？
聞こえますか？
はもう聞こえますか？
聞こえますか？
Okay. This means, can you hear?
Can you hear? 聞こえますか？聞こえ
ますか？
ますか？聞こえますか？
Okay.
聞こえますか？ Okay. And the next one is thanks for the call.
Okay. 呼んでくれてありがとう。One more.
Please.
呼んでくれてありがと
呼んでくれてありがとう。
ありがとう。
呼んでくれてありがとう。
Okay.
Okay. 呼んでくれてありがとう。
Okay, you got it.
And goodbye.
Okay. さよなら。
さよなら。
Okay. さよなら。
さよなら。Okay. さよなら。
Okay.
Great. And this next one is very easy because you don't tell 73 and 88 in Japan during the QSO. Am I right?
Oh, same. 73 in Japanese. 73 is Japanese pronunciation. 73 and 88.
88. 73. 73. Very interesting. Very interesting. It's great. And I would like to repeat once more. I will tell in English and you will very slowly tell in Japanese. Okay? Hello.
こんにちは。
Good morning.
おはようございます。
Good afternoon.
こんにちは。
Good evening.
こんばんは。
Your report is 5 and 9.
あなたのレポートは号泣です。
My name is Raisa.
私の名前はライサです。
My QTH is St. Petersburg.
私の QTH は Saint something.
How do you copy me?
Okay. 聞こえますか？
Thanks for the call.
呼んでくれてありがと
Goodbye.
う。バイバイ。さよなら。You can say bye bye.
Yes. Bye bye is everywhere. Like
Yes.
a hi. Yes. And 73 and 88.
That is, you can say that way. 73 or 73, 88, 88. Yes, both of
88. Okay. It's great, Haruka. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your help. And I'm sure that it will be very interesting for many hams around the world.
Thank you. どうもありがとうございました。JF1NEF こちら JJ1ROE 愛川町家庭でした。
Thank you so much. Hope to meet you. Bye bye, Haruka. My best wishes to your friends.
Oh, thank you. Bye bye.
Hope you like this video. And I remind you, if you would like to know more phrases on Japanese language, or do you want to learn the other languages, you can find the information on my website, raisa.blog. There are 10 different languages for the QSO. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, 73 and 88.